Hey guys, if you are trying to schedule your post on TikTok, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So for that, you will be needing a web application. You will not be able to schedule your post via TikTok app. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in tiktok.com and get logged into your account via a web browser. Once done, you will be able to see your initial and your profile. Tap on three dot icon, make sure desktop site is checked for your ease. Now let's go ahead and add a post. For that, tap on this plus button and add a photo or video. And as soon as you reach this page, zoom into your screen. Here you can add your description. You can also edit your cover. And under settings, you will see when to post. If you tap on now, it will be posted right away. But if you would like to schedule, tap on schedule button here. So it says allow your video to be saved for scheduled posting. You have to tap allow. And then simply go ahead and select a time and a date. Once you do so, make sure that you set it to public, or if you would like to keep it for only yourself, tap on only you. And once done, tap schedule. Once this post has been scheduled, it will be uploaded onto the time where you have selected. So guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.